Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the 7UP token on the Solana blockchain. This is a brand new token. It is a Sol meme token. Now obviously this is not brought to you by the actual 7UP company. It is just a meme token, paying homage, just a meme token, basically. Nothing to actually do with the company that produces 7UP, so just be aware of that right off the bat. Their official webpage is 7upsolana.com. We're going to go over the information on this new meme token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the 7UP token on Solana. You can find their Twitter at 7upsolana, and I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen over there so you guys can easily find this project. If you go over to that Twitter there, you'll see it's brand new. They just joined in February 2024. Very active on their socials. They have 35 posts already. They're going to have a lot of memes on there, of course. This is very much a meme token. It says the one and only hashtag 7UP. Almost 200 followers so far. So their pinned tweet here, it says, this is just from 7 hours ago. It says, good morning and happy Sunday. Everything is ready for our launch today. Then they has the tokenomics on here. So there is a total supply of 7,777,777 7UP tokens. So it says, contract address not yet revealed, will be pinned in our Telegram chat. And then it has a link to their Telegram, and this is all in their pinned tweet over there. So this is how you get the token here. And then it has a link to their Telegram, which is at 7UP on Solana. And then their webpage, 7upsolana.com. So all the links are on that Twitter right there. Real easy to find all the stuff on that Twitter. And then 1 hour ago, they just tweeted out the contract address. So basically this token is ready for liftoff right now. And lots of memes up here. It says, one drink to rule them all. 7UP is now on Solana. So basically, how you would get this token here is there's a bunch of different decentralized exchanges that have Solana tokens on them. So a very popular one is Raydium. They also have Jupiter, Orca. There's a bunch of them. Now you could use a Phantom wallet. You could use a Coin98 wallet, a Coinbase wallet, a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, any wallet a decentralized wallet that stores Solana. Basically, you would fund that wallet with Sol. Then you would go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then using the contract address that you could find on that Twitter right there, you could trade your Sol for the 7UP token using that contract address. Now, it doesn't say anything yet about taxes, so we'll have a look at their webpage here, see if we can find tokenomics here, because you may have to set slippage if there is taxes in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. And so their webpage, 7upsolana.com, has contact information. It has a buy now button that'll just take you directly to Raydium. It's got a Dextools chart so you can see how the token's doing. If you didn't understand how I explained to buy this token off Raydium, they have a how to buy section. Tokenomics, info, all sorts of links all over here. The zesty world of 7UP, as the cool kids call it in the outside the US, 7-Up. I mean, okay, or sup. Anyways, all right, let's dive into the fizzy, zesty world of 7-Up, or as the cool kids call it, a sup. Because who needs spaces and uppercase letters anyways? Picture this, a lemon lime concoction so iconic it doesn't even need caffeine to hype you up. Owned by the beverage overlords at Keurig Dr. Pepper. I didn't even realize that. I thought it would be like Pepsi or Coke. Keurig Dr. Pepper owns 7-Up. Okay. This neon green elixir is the go-to drink for those looking to tickle their taste buds without the jitters. And guess what? Despite its all-American roots, this global sensation gets passed around the world by PepsiCo. Oh, there you go. It's like the international player of soft drinks uniting nations under the banner of refreshment. So grab a can and let's toast to 7-Up, the soda that's too cool for caffeine. Now, tokenomics on here. It says LP is burnt, ownership renounced, total supply, we already went over, 7.7 million and a whole bunch of sevens. Token address is on the page here. They do have a quick buy right on their webpage. You could use an embedded swap if you want to use that right on their webpage as well. You could do that. So that's pretty cool. They have that there. And then they show you step-by-step how to buy. And it says it's also available on Jupiter. So you can use Jupiter as well as Raydium. And then they have a contact email at the bottom of the page if you want to check that out. Now, they're on Dextools, so you can check out some info on Dextools. Right now, low market cap, token basically just launched. $16,840 right now is their market cap. Liquidity right now, $6,510. They have 475 holders. Then we have total market cap's the same. 24-hour trading volume right now is $690,580. And pooled SOL, they have 28.84 pooled SOL in there. They have a Dex score of 55 out of 99. Now they have some quick audit here on Dextools that you could check out by Quick Intel Security. And they say no honeypot, contract is verified, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable. And then they have, it says no other risks. So basically all good on their quick audit, but just keep in mind that is only a quick audit and is not a full audit. So hopefully they do come out with a full audit in the future. But that's basically about it. Go check out this new token on the Solana blockchain. All the info and links are on that Twitter right there. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.